This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the environment and hardware so tracking can recover. First, power the Quest 2 and controllers to at least half charge. Low power can cause jitter. Once done, move to a well-lit, non-reflective area and remove stickers or accessories that hide the cameras. Gently clean each camera lens with a microfiber cloth. This removes oils and dust that confuse inside-out tracking. After that, keep the headset off for 30 seconds before the first restart to ensure sensors reinitialize. Now you perform the core calibration and connection steps that actually stop drift. Restart the headset, then use the Oculus mobile app to confirm the system firmware is up to date. Updates fix tracking algorithms. Next, recenter your view from the menu. This aligns virtual horizon with reality. Then unpair each controller, replace batteries or use freshly charged ones, and repair to force a clean controller sync. Make sure straps aren't obscuring sensors, and give the headset a slow 360-degree look to let tracking re-establish. Finish by verifying tracking in a controlled test. Load home and a lightweight app, then move naturally for 2 to 3 minutes while watching for drift. If problems persist, perform a factory reset only after backing up account info. This clears settings that can corrupt tracking. Once reset, repeat cleaning and pairing steps. Finally, if drift continues despite these steps, stop further disassembly and contact Oculus support. This prevents warranty issues and gets guided hardware diagnostics or replacement options quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.